Hello friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review Wildhorn men's leather wallet. Brown color I am going to unbox and review. And when you open it, you can see that there is a product information sheet with the warranty details and genuine leather is mentioned here. And if you want to check out this product, I have given the link in the video as well as in the video description. So you can check the price and all the other information about that. So let's keep it here and let's take it out the wallet. So you can see that there is another plastic packaging, which is good actually. Then you open it, you can feel there is a good feeling about the leather. It's pretty premium feel, you can get it. And RFID protection is mentioned here. So the other thing is that this is the thickness from different angles you can see. But the wallet feels really lightweight. And there is a good amount of stitching is given in both sides in a pretty attractive way. So let's open it and see how it looks like. Inside you can see that there is a coin compartment, so you can keep your coins and other stuff. And there is a zipper provided for two other hidden compartment, which is pretty convenient. And then you can see different slots for credit and debit cards. And when we open it, we can see two transparent compartments where you can put an ID card as well as photographs. So easy to show to anybody when they ask without taking out the ID. And when we open further, we can see multiple credit and debit card slots are in both sides, and also Wildhorn branding is mentioned over there. So other thing you can see that there is a genuine leather mentioned over here. That is pretty cool. And regarding the currency compartment, there are two currency storage spaces are available, which is of good quality. And from the back side, it looks like this with RFID protection is very useful for nowadays. And if you're gifting a friend for birthday or any your loved ones, it can be good, because if you give this to any of your people, they will use it daily, so they will think about you. That's a good stuff. So I will tag the product as well as in the video description. You can check the price and other details about this thing. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye.